What's up, everybody? Abdullah Shamari here. Today we're going to be discussing Lululemon, ticker symbol LULU. Let's do it. Make sure to crush that like button for the YouTube algorithm and check out my Patreon link below. You'll get insights into my watch list, my portfolio, my daily readings, as well as instant posts as I buy and sell stocks each and every day. Today, I just wanted to give an overview of the financials of Lululemon. We'll discuss a little bit high level about them. We all know the popular brand in the athletic and casual sportswear arena. They've done really well over the past few years with the stock price reflecting that success. We all know we never see Lululemon items on sale, and we're always itching for our employers to be able to give us discounts on the apparel because they're always marked up at their prices and they never go on sale because they always run out. People are always buying their things no matter what the price is because they love the quality of the athletic wear they provide, whether that's yoga pants, whether that's athletic sportswear, whether that's formal wear for work that might be comfortable compared to wearing dress pants from other companies, etc. And the company only has further to expand into additional areas. They don't do as much menswear as they do with women's wear currently. In addition, they just indicated that they're going to launch a resale program where they'll be reselling various used sportswear items. Obviously, they're going to be refurbish them, etc. However, they'll be selling those to individuals so that they're able to now capture an additional market where the price points might have been too high before, but using the resale model, they're able to capture an additional market that they weren't able to with their original items at full value. So the company only has further to expand in the space. They can potentially go into footwear and other areas as they continue to grow. The company's currently priced at about a $50 billion market cap. And again, as they continue to grow, they're already a profitable company, expanding their profits, expanding their cash flows. The company's market share should be able to increase. They start impeding in certain areas that Nike and others are doing really well in. And even if they're able to capture a small portion of that market share, the company's valuation will only continue to increase. So with that, we'll go into the financials of the company and why I'm invested in the company. From a financial perspective, we'll start on the income statement. We can see that the company has grown top line revenue year over year. Actually, the 2020 top line revenue grew a little bit less than previous years. And I think it's due to the fact that Lululemon sells premier top line activewear, which could be on more of the expensive side. So many people might have not been splurging on luxury wear as much as they were maybe in past years due to the COVID-19 pandemic, various issues with financial strain resulting from it. So top line revenue didn't grow as much. In addition, when I went to Lululemon at various times, a lot of people like to try their products before they buy them. So a lot of the retail stores are having an hour, 2-hour wait, and that could have discouraged a lot of people from buying things compared to before where you could just walk in, try something real quick and then buy it or not. So those are some factors that I think could have went into their sales not growing as much, but overall their sales have increased and they continue to do so year over year. Profitability decreased slightly over the past year. And just taking a look at their expenses, most of it's just selling and general administrative expenses, not really any R&D as you would see with tech companies, etc. Obviously, they're probably trying to generate new products, but not much in the R&D space. From a balance sheet perspective, you can see the company is doing well. They're profitable. They have plenty of assets to cover their liabilities, which is what we want to see. It's a well-run company. It's a profitable company. They don't need to slash their prices to sell their products. They're always selling their products, and usually they're sold out, and many of their top line products are always sold out, and people are itching to get more of them. So whether it's face masks and new products that are out there, they're all just selling out, and people are continuing to buy them and just buying more and more. And when people go and buy at Lululemon, they're not spending less than $100. They're buying like 2, 3, 4 items, and they're spending $500 to $1,000 on a visit to the business. So it's an incredible model that they have, and people keep coming back. From a cash flow perspective, we wouldn't expect any different. They're generating positive cash flows from from the business, which is what we want to see. They're investing in the business, and then they're not having to draw much financing, as we can see here. They're doing tremendous from a cash flow perspective as well, and they continue to do so. And that's one of the reasons why they're valued at $50 billion. Just looking at an overall summary, you can see here 1 year price target is $386 for the company. So that could potentially be 15 to 20% growth on the stock price, which would be great for investors. Their next earnings is set up to be in June, so be on the lookout for that. As far as their stock price overall, we can see huge growth over the past 4 to 5 years, from $50 a share to now over $335. And again, one of the companies that I compare them to is, we'll just quickly look at it, is Nike. And we can see Nike's at a $209 billion market cap. Obviously, Nike has a little bit much more awareness in the market, especially in athletic wear, and a lot of different brand marketers, such as athletes that are promoting the brand. Lululemon doesn't have that as much. And once they get into that space and more athletes are endorsing their products and wearing their products and promoting the products, I think the market cap will continue to expand. And over time, I think the 4x potential is there for Lululemon, and that's why I'm holding it long term in my portfolio. It's a way for me to be able to get exposure to the retail space and consumer products, and to diversify my portfolio a little bit from different industries, and don't want to be too concentrated in the tech space. This is the reasons why I'm invested in Lululemon. I encourage you to do your own due diligence on the stock and see if it's right for your portfolio. As always, make money, enjoy life. Peace.